speaking of preparation, you've had a huge amount of success in your career leading high growth engineering teams all over the world, Chicago, Amsterdam, Berlin, Belgrade, Bangalore, and so on. And Samsara seems like an amazing place to work. Fast Company listed it as one of their most innovative companies in the world. The Fortune Future 50 ranked Samsara as number 7 in a recent ranking there. And so that's like super exciting. Double digit percentage growth in terms of revenue year over year for many years. So if people who are listening want to work with you, want to work at Samsara, are you doing any hiring, and what do you look for in the people that you do hire?
We definitely are hiring. As you mentioned, the business is growing pretty fast, and I think the main key part we generally look for are we want people who actually show curiosity is one of the main things that we look for, like in terms of really, this is a very fascinating and interesting space, right? So we think anybody who's a builder needs to really get fascinated by the problem space in terms of what physical operations could mean, want to meet customers, and we enable that, and learn from how operations work. So I think that's a very important piece to building great products, making sure the builders really understand the audience and the problems. So curiosity is one of the key ingredients that we really look for. And then effectively, it's going to be agility, I would say, the other one, where this is a high growth startup, right? And startups, in general, I would say it's a scale up right now. We could say it's a public company. We're continuing to scale up. We still like to operate a bit of a high growth startup, which means a lot of adaptability and agility is a part of it, right? So not everything's figured out, not everything's super bureaucratic. Do you actually love an environment where you're enabled and you can move fast and show curiosity and actually build with focus from there on and get solutions out the door? That's usually what we look for.